In this video, I will be showing you how to enter split screen mode on iQOO Z11x. You can enter split screen mode in multiple ways. I will show you each way. First, open any app which supports split screen mode. Use your 3 fingers and swipe up like this. You can see that it has taken the top position, and at the bottom you can place any app. Now you can see that you have entered the split screen mode. Simply use a black bar and swipe down. It will exit the split screen mode. Now let's see the second method. Open the apps which are open in the background. These are the apps which are open in the background. Select that particular app and you have this option split screen. Click on that. Now you can see that the top place has been taken by that particular app, and at the bottom you can place another app. To close the split screen mode, you can swipe down or swipe up like this. Now let's see another method. Open any app and use that particular app and place it at the top like this, top left. It will take that position, and at the bottom you can place any other app. You can see that. Now let's see the other method. From the smart sidebar, you have multiple apps. Select any app of your choice and place it at the top like this. You can see that you have entered into the split screen mode. So that's it guys. In this way you can enter the split screen mode on iQOO Z11x 5G. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.